component of weight will act. MAG sine theta. Then component of this weight, mg sine theta. Normal contact Na, normal contact Nb. And then how the friction will act. So here the friction on this cylinder Fa like this. On this cylinder Fb. Mg cos theta will also act vertically. I'm not showing it, so it should be understood. MAG cos theta will act perpendicular to inclined plane. Here MBG cos theta. Then how is equilibrium possible? And they're in contact, so there should be a force acting between them also. So normal contact, I'll put N. This N is by the B on A. What about this N? This N is by A on B. So there's a normal force, the cylinders will exert on each other. How is equilibrium possible? Forces, okay. Friction force can balance MAG sin theta. Then talk about center of the cylinder A, due to friction will be anti-clockwise. Equilibrium is not possible, and it's saying equilibrium. So definitely there should be a friction between the cylinders also. Then how the friction should act? The friction must act. So the friction here should be like this, and the friction on this cylinder should be in this direction. Then only equilibrium is possible, no? Okay, rest all everything writing equations here, no? For equilibrium, let's get into the the friction force. Let's see that. For net torque on the cylinder about O1, O2. I'll write it. Net torque on cylinder A about O1 should be 0. Wall will set up torque. Only the friction F, blue color arrow, and friction Fa. So torque due to that should be F into R clockwise, Fa into R anti-clockwise. So then this should be equal to minus F R plus F into R equals 0. So therefore F is equal to Fa. Similarly, net torque acting on center of the cylinder B. F into R, this will be clockwise, Fb into R anti-clockwise. So solving this, minus Fr plus Fbr equal to 0. So therefore F equal to Fb. From 192, this is something very important which I'm going to take help of this. Okay, let's come for this. He's asking the condition. The remaining equilibrium, the dimensions of two cylinders are same. Which cylinder has larger mass? Somewhere here I'll show that R. Next, after this, what to do? Translational equilibrium, will go for it. Net force along the incline. On cylinder A. On cylinder A along incline. Let me write like this. Not needed. And then what are the forces that are acting here? MAG sine theta plus N minus Fa equal to 0. For total system, this is only on cylinder A. For the total system, on system along incline. Then what will be that N will become internal. So total system, it will be MAG sine theta plus mbg sine theta minus fa minus fb equal to 0. So therefore fa plus fb equal to ma plus mb g sine, and we know fa plus fb is equal to that is equal to only f from here, that is equal to f, that one. So ma plus mb g sine theta, this one. So this, what is f equal to? Ma plus mb by 2 g sine theta. So since we know what is n should be equal to mag cos theta. And this n, shall I write mag cos? No, na is mag cos theta, not n. I'll write it. Some of you are writing, thinking this one. Now get into the thing, that one. What is fa? Fa you can write is f only, because fa equal to fb equal to f. Then what to do with that n? I can calculate the value of n from here. I'll substitute this f here. I'm just showing that arrow like this. N, this should be equal to ma plus mb g sine theta by 2 equal to 0. Solve for n, and so what is the condition that n will be? I'll directly write it. mb minus ma for two cylinders to be in contact. What is the necessity condition? N must be non-zero for cylinders. To be in contact, n must be greater than or equal to 0. So in that case, what happened? mb should be greater than or equal to ma. So shall I go for greater than or? So it should be greater than 0, no? So mb should be greater. So the B cylinder B will be heavier. So now you have to ask questions, sir. On what basis you are assuming the friction on the cylinders, between cylinders, the blue color arrows? On what basis you are assuming in this way only? Talk about O1. Due to Fa will be anti-clockwise. Then the torque due to friction F, this F should be clockwise. No, then only the net torque should be 0. So therefore the friction between the cylinders should act in this direction. Okay, fine. So this is about the types of numericals. So not only just a rod, come out of only rod. I'll go for next one. Now these are very important, such ideas, because with the help of this only I'm able to solve the problem very easily. F equal to Fa plus Fb. Next one, take this one. In the arrangement shown,